In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage on Oanda. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up their trading platform over here, and then you want to go to the left over here and tap on those three lines at the top left. And then here you'll see there's actually no way to change the leverage other than contacting support. So if you want to do that and you really want to change your leverage, what you can try doing is you can go here and click on Contact Us. And then here you have basically their addresses, so the way you can contact them, and you can go via the website or the email over here or the phone number, which will likely be the most convenient option. So what you want to do, and what I would do if I wanted to change leverage on Oanda, I would email their support at either of these two emails, or I'd call them by phone during their working hours, which you can just Google, and then ask them whether they can change your leverage for you on your account. So that is the only way right now. You can do it inside your account, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.